Hey guys, it's Katie. So obviously by the title of this video you guys know that today I will be unboxing and showing you guys the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II vlog camera, and I'm super excited. I have been waiting to get this camera and I've been saving up, and I finally got it on sale at Best Buy, so I'm super excited to be showing you guys. So we're just gonna jump right to it. Here is the beautiful box that it comes in. I got just the camera, the battery, and then the battery charger, and I think it comes with a wrist strap, but this is the beautiful box. So now we're gonna open it, and I've been waiting to open this. It's been sitting on my desk for 2 days. I just haven't had time to film it, so I'm very excited, and I'm so excited. Okay, so first off, this is what it looks like. Oh, you got the manuals and stuff on top. I also bought a 1-year warranty protection just in case anything happens, but this is going to be my new baby, so I am praying nothing happens to it. So here is the little manual. I think I'm going to want to read this. Sorry, there's a motorcycle going by. I'm going to want to read this just so I really get to know my camera and kind of know all the functionalities of it. Is functionalities a word? Not really sure. But as of right now, I do film on the Canon EOS Rebel T6i, and I wanted a vlog camera. I've been using my phone as a vlog camera, so now this is going to be my new vlog camera. Okay, so we're going to take all this random stuff out. So as you can see, there are 3 different components to this. First off, we have the battery charger, so we're going to take that out. So tiny. So this is the little battery charger, and then it has the little prong that comes out to put it into the plug, you know. Then we have the little battery. Oh, it's so tiny. I did not realize it'd be this tiny, but it's like a smaller camera than my EOS Rebel something, so that kind of makes sense, but this is what the battery looks like. And I also might want to buy a second battery. I'm just still kind of deciding that. So we have those 2 pieces. Then this is the wrist strap, I believe. There's a QR code. Wonder what that is. So this is just the wrist strap. Yeah. Looks like this. Cute. Now comes the time for the big reveal. I am so excited, as you guys can tell. I'm sorry if my energy is just too high, but I have been wanting this camera forever, like I said before. So it comes in this, and then it's wrapped nicely. And oh, it's so pretty. So this is what it looks like, and I want to know if they have like screen protectors for this because it is touchscreen, so I might want to look into getting a screen protector, but that kind of like is a later problem. But this is what it looks like. It is beautiful. I'm also going to be doing a camera test, so comparing this quality to my iPhone quality, and I'm really excited. So basically you put the battery in down here, you can lock it and unlock it just like that. And then I also have an SD card that I have like 3 of them from my other camera, so I was just going to use it for this one, so I didn't have to purchase a new one. Just thinking smart. You can turn it on, you can do this. So this is the real reason why I bought this camera over a lot of other vlog cameras, is because of the pull-out flip screen. So basically here's the screen, and you can pull it up, and it can go like this, which is super cool. You can just, you know, vlog like this, and you can actually see yourself, which sometimes I have trouble seeing myself because my other camera doesn't have that, and I don't know if I'm in focus or not. So it has this, and then you can also pull this whole part out, and then you can pull it like this, and it can be like a little stand. You can also do it, I think if you're like recording for like a flat lay or like recording above you, you can push this down and pull this up, and then you can actually see what you're filming instead of like having to go all the way above your camera. Sometimes if I'm filming like a flat lay thing on my desk or something like that, I will actually stand on a chair because I can't see. There goes another motorcycle. Because I can't see what I'm filming. So this is going to come in handy for that. I am planning on vlogging a lot more with this camera and just using it and just seeing how it goes, and I'm super excited. So yeah. Okay, I know I just talked a lot in just kind of like bursts, and I'm just really excited and have a lot of energy right now. So now we're gonna go into the camera test. Alright, so I charged the battery a little bit because they do come uncharged, so we're just gonna hit on. So here's like the home screen that you see. I can set the date and time. Do I want to do this? Maybe I'll skip it. And it looks like this. I'm sorry if you guys can see my face. The quality looks so good though. And it also autofocuses, so it will always find my face. And I really, really like it. So we're going to try to record something on it, if I can figure out how. Okay, so there's the record button. And now we are recording. This is really trippy having two cameras. I think the quality looks so good. Hopefully it looks that good like when I import it into iMovie. I need to remember to look at the camera lens, I think, instead of looking at myself, because I look like I'm just looking up. So I think looking at the camera lens is what I just need to get used to doing, which is what I already do on my other camera. Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm recording on both my phone and my camera, so these are the quality differences, and I just think that this camera looks so good, and it's so much brighter than my phone, although I do like vlogging on my phone just because it's convenient. But yeah, check out the difference. I'm so happy. All right, this is something I definitely have to get used to, but we're gonna try zooming. Oh, there we go. Cool. A little up close for my taste, but you know, it's okay. Zoom back out. Beautiful. Okay, I know this was a really short video, but I just wanted to kind of show you the unboxing and show you guys my initial reactions. I definitely have to play with this camera a lot more, and again, read the manual, and I also have to attach the little wrist strap that goes just right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. Make sure you are subscribed so you can see a lot more vlogs and just really fun videos. I'm super happy about this. I worked really hard to earn the money to get this. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.